How to enable or disable play sound when you insert or remove the S Pen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, you will see third option is S Pen. Click on S Pen. Scroll down to and click on More S Pen Settings. After click on More S Pen Settings, you will see sound is here. If you want to disable play sound, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see disable play sound is disabled. If you want to enable play sound, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see play sound is enabled. You will enable or disable S Pen play sound from here. After turn on this button, go back to home screen, and if you want to remove or insert S Pen, so you will see if you want to remove, if you want to insert S Pen, insert S Pen. If you want to remove, so you will see. After the process, so that's how you can enable or disable play sound when you insert or remove S Pen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.